The XCMG 22OG's Amphibious excavator, equipped with a 6-meter mixing head, is specifically designed for soft ground conditions such as river channels and lakes. It can operate smoothly in waters within a depth of 1.5 meters. By adding side floating boxes, it is capable of working in deep sea areas. The original factory standard crushing pipeline can be optionally selected, expanding more possible application scenarios. Equipped with a Doosan TM40 motor, it has stable power and high efficiency. The source factory of River Machinery Amphibious excavators provides you with high-quality and reliable construction machinery solutions.